Ready to digital product photos and unlock breathtaking visuals that will make your products irresistible? First, head over to Midjourney on Discord. We'll start with a simple product photo, in this case, a ceramic mug. The key is to describe your product clearly in the prompt that details like material, color, and size. Next, let's inject some style. Add keywords that describe the desired aesthetic. Think about lighting, soft, dramatic, or studio lighting. Specify a background, maybe a bokeh effect, a specific texture, or even a complete environment. Midjourney Generates for options. Analyze them. Which one captures the vibe you're after? If none are perfect, simply rerun the prompt or tweak it with more specific keywords. Found a winner? Use the U buttons to upscale your favorite. This creates a larger, higher resolution version of the image. Now, let's push the boundaries. Try adding more abstract elements. Think about adding textures, geometric shapes, or even surreal environments to create eye-catching visuals that grab attention. Experiment with different art styles. Mention artists, design trends, or even color palettes to influence the final image. The more creative you get with your prompts, the more stunning your product visuals will become. And that's it. With a bit of experimentation, Midjourney can transform your product photography, giving you visually stunning images that boost your brand and drive sales.